Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart multimeter. First, always prioritize safety. Ensure your hands are dry and you are not standing in water. Identify the main components: the display, function dial, and input jacks. Insert the black test lead into the COM jack and the red lead into the V-omegam, a jack for most measurements. This setup is crucial for accurate and safe operation. To measure voltage, turn the dial to the V symbol, choosing ACV for alternating current like wall outlets or DCV for direct current from batteries. For a standard AA battery, expect around 1.5 volts. Connect the red lead to the positive terminal and the black lead to the negative. The display will show the voltage reading, indicating the electrical potential difference. For resistance, rotate the dial to the omega symbol. Before testing, ensure the circuit is de-energized. Touch the probes to the component you wish to measure. A reading of 0 ohms indicates a short circuit or continuity, while OL or 1 signifies an open circuit or very high resistance. This helps identify breaks in wires or faulty components, ensuring proper functionality. Measuring current or amperage requires placing the multimeter in series with the circuit. First, turn off the power. Select the setting, choosing ACA or DCA as needed. For small currents, use the milliampere range. Connect the red lead to the circuit's positive side and the black lead to the negative, completing the path. Always start with the highest range to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.